Are you sick of seeing get-rich-quick schemes everywhere? It's too much. What if complicated strategies or risky stocks had nothing to do with the true secret to becoming a millionaire? What if it was so clear-cut, simple and proven that most people just think it's boring? The fact is that accumulating actual wealth is not thrilling. In reality, it's a silent, dull procedure. There is no secret to the true road to $1 million. It's a straightforward, methodical approach that succeeds for one reason: consistency. Don't worry about finding a miracle stock or timing the market. Choosing diversified index funds, investing automatically, and letting time handle the heavy lifting are the three basic pillars upon which real wealth is built. Let's dissect them. Pillar 1 is the unstoppable habit: consistent investing. Making investing a habit rather than a chore is the main goal of the first pillar. The simplest way to accomplish this: make it automatic. Configure your account to transfer a predetermined sum of money into your investments each month. You don't need to consider it, and you don't need to be concerned about the timing of the market. You simply accumulate wealth like clockwork, automatically and in the background. Pillar 2 is the set it and forget it engine: index funds. Where should that automatic money go now? You invest in an index fund rather than attempting to choose profitable stocks. Imagine purchasing a small portion of the stock market all at once. It operates automatically and is completely diversified. This is your wealth's best set it and forget it engine. You're wagering on the long-term expansion of the whole economy rather than just one business. Pillar 3 is your greatest asset: time. The true magic occurs here. Time is your most effective tool, not money. Compound interest can be unlocked by being patient and starting early. This implies that your money begins to generate its own revenue. Your modest, steady investments grow into a huge fortune through a gradual snowball effect. The secret is to just get started and let time take care of all the laborious tasks. To see how effective this is, let's examine the numbers. Take a look at what happens if you invest $500 each month and receive an average return. You might have more than $80,000 in 10 years. In 30 years, though, that might increase to more than $600,000. It grows more quickly the longer you wait. This isn't a hunch. It's the mathematical principle of compound interest, which is how regular people create extraordinary wealth. Is this path truly boring? Or is it quiet, really? Your money is steadily increasing in the background, while others are anxiously pursuing the next big thing. This has nothing to do with a dull existence. It's about creating the security and independence to lead a genuinely exciting life on your own terms. You're in the right place if you think that this calm approach to wealth makes sense. For more straightforward and astute financial advice, subscribe for Monetive. With just one click, you can begin your path to financial independence.